Affordable Runoff Solutions Stormwater Asset Maintenance Subscription Program inventories, inspects, and organizes all of the property assets outside of the buildings, like underground stormwater control, extended detention basins or detention ponds, rain gardens, permeable pavers, and more. Our process involves representing each asset as a shapefile in our mapping software where we keep utility and drainage plans, standard operating procedures from the development agreement, site photos, and reports from our biannual inspection and routine maintenance site visits. Our biannual routine inspection and maintenance reports include functionality testing results, observations, photos, and a condition score. The condition scores for each of the site's assets are compiled into maintenance indicators in the site dashboard. Maintenance indicators allow you to understand which assets need more extensive restoration so you can budget and prioritize site work and avoid flooding, noncompliance, and costly reconstruction. When it's time to budget, you can easily see which assets fall below your routine subscription level and need to be restored. Restoring infrastructure, while it still can be restored, keeps it out of this red zone where the system can't be restored and needs to be completely reconstructed. Here's some more clarity about those green, yellow, red zones related to your costs. Stormwater assets like pavements, ponds, and pipes that serve your property can be assigned a condition score at any point in its lifespan, and each asset has a service life. Left alone, each asset's condition will degrade over time. A decision to invest in routine inspection and maintenance early is the most cost-effective way to keep assets functional and compliant. Less frequent maintenance bumps the asset condition over a threshold where it cannot be made functional and compliant with routine maintenance and needs more complex, more expensive restorative maintenance. Failing to make restorative repairs bumps the asset condition over a threshold where it needs to be reconstructed to function. This cost can be up to 5 times more expensive than maintaining the asset, and puts you right back at a new opportunity to get on a routine service program. Poor conditions, represented by the bottom half of this graph, also degrade your customer's experience, lowers the property's value in the eyes of tenants, and puts Class A property standards farther out of reach. That's why Affordable Runoff Solutions offers set it and forget it inspection and maintenance subscriptions. Your site dashboard offers regular real-time information about your assets and their maintenance needs, and your routine inspection visits give you peace of mind that Affordable Runoff Solutions is a trusted partner in keeping your site compliant and flood ready.